2 BHK is normally छोटा ही होता है. Kitchen is the place where we required more storage, more space.
A home is the only place where the outside noise just stops. But in a hustling, bustling city like Kolkata, how do you actually create that quiet? Hey everyone, welcome back to another beautiful home tour by Design Cafe. I am Rukmini Saha and today's episode is really special because it's in Amar Shahar, Kolkata, and I am going to take you around a beautiful 2 BHK of 840 square feet in the forest. Let's go. This beautiful 2 BHK of Miss Sutirtha Das is a perfect example of how you blend minimalism with all the warmth of a home. And the mastermind behind this, I am going to welcome the brilliant designer who made this seamless blend of grey, beige and wood, none other than the expert Aanchal Jain. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Absolutely good.
This house is so beautiful.
Is it?
Yeah. So tell me something. What was her requirement? Like when she first came to you, like what did she say? What did she want?
Genuinely, Rukmini, when she came to me, her first sentence was, when I want to come to the home, I want to feel the scape of house. I want to feel the deep breathe here. एक सुकून वाला space चाहिए मुझे.
And क्या होता है ना, in a city like Calcutta, there's so much of hustle bustle going on चारों तरफ. मतलब घर आओ तो तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि वो सुकून.
Correct.
है ना?
ऐसा जगह चाहिए जहाँ हम बैठ सके, feel कर सके उस जगह को.
I know. And that was her only requirement. और कुछ था क्या कि मतलब kitchen एरকম होते হবে.
She doesn't have lots of requirement. She's single. She wanted कि मैं अकेले रहती हूँ, घर आऊंगी, अकेले ही रहना है, मॉम बहुत कम रहेंगी साथ में. अकेले मैं अच्छे से अपना स्पेस फील करना चाहती हूँ.
That's so sweet. Let's take a tour of this beautiful place.
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
I love how this foyer area beautifully extends into the living area and finally into the dining area. But personally, I really love the TV unit, which is a combination of marble finish and silver panels, along with these grey louvers, which makes it look so beautiful yet compact. Another highlight that I have to mention about this living area has to be this beautiful white wall that is done in white molded, and this beautiful grey flowery wallpaper along with this grey sofa that makes it look so compact yet so beautiful. And now this living area extends to this beautiful dining space with a very compact dining table, a puja unit and a very compact crockery unit as well. I really love how Aanchal has thought through this entire thing and made sure there's a dining table, there's a puja unit, there's a crockery unit, there's a living area, there's a foyer area, everything, even though the space is so compact. So this looks very compact, yet it's so functional. So Aanchal, I really love how you have done the foyer area, the living area, and that expands to the dining area, even though the space is so compact. So what was the magic that you did to accommodate all of it?
So Rukmini, what it happens ना, जब हम पहली बार घर पे आते हैं, it's a raw flat. तब हमारे लिए साइट होता है, घर नहीं होता है. हम बाद में इसको घर पे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. So when I first time came to the house, I have seen कि I'm directly dropping into the sitting area. मुझे वो प्राइवेसी नहीं दिख रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है जब हम आएंगे तो प्राइवेसी कहाँ है. At that time I thought to put some this kind of slick partition, जिससे मेरा वहाँ पे प्राइवेसी क्रिएट हो जा रहा है.
I like how you put this because this separates out the entrance
Exactly.
and the living area. मतलब है but नहीं है.
नहीं है. Exactly. एंड ये तो मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट हो गया. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम ये था कि क्योंकि 2 BHK इज नॉर्मली छोटा ही होता है, बहुत क्रैम्प्ड आउट होता है, तो मुझे छोटा दिख रहा था फ्लैट. मैंने सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा ताकि ये डबल जोनिंग दिखे. फॉर दैट वी प्लान्ड दिस काइंड ऑफ मिरर एरिया. मिरर पैनलिंग से क्या हुआ, मेरा पूरा जोनिंग डबल हो जा रहा है. जोनिंग डबल हो रहा है तो itself looks spacious.
मतलब we as general audience, we just think that oh wow कितना सुंदर सा mirror है, this looks so nice. But there's so much of thought process in this, and there's a purpose behind this.
Absolutely,
Right.
there's a purpose behind it.
But then it just looks beautiful to us. It's just pretty. Because I also think because of the white and the mirror makes it looks way
More spacious.
Yeah. Let's go to the kitchen.
Sure.
So this is the kitchen area and it just feels like an extension of the living room, right? The kitchen is actually small in size, but the color palette that has been chosen here is what makes it look visually way more spacious. And one of the major reasons behind this are these high gloss laminates that reflects light and adds on to the beauty of this. Okay, so Achal, I must say that, honestly, the kitchen is a little compact in size, but still the way it has been designed, it doesn't really feel that way. So were there any specific things that you had in mind that you implemented here?
Of course. So kitchen is the place where we required more storage, more space.
Correct.
So when Sutirtha came to me with the concern of putting कैसे हम बहुत सारा storage create कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि kitchen तो compact है. So in that time we planned in such a way कि हम loft को white में रखते हैं so that it can match up with the ceiling. तो वो seamless look एक ceiling से मुझे loft area तक का look दे रहा है. हमने फिर कलर पैलेट इसमें बेज एंड वाइट का रखा, उस पर रोज गोल्ड कलर का हैंडल फिनिश दिया एंड विद दैट
So these
exactly yeah correct and with this we have put quads on top and at the same time just to give that seamless look we put in the daddy area also quads on.
So that's why I think overall it looks
Correct.
so seamless and so
Absolutely. And at the same time it should be functional also because
Yeah.
kitchen is the place where you'll be spending more of your time.
and you did a great job.
Thank you.
Now coming to the master bedroom from the living area, I must say this is so beautiful, man. Like you see the striking difference here? Like that room, the living area was done in grey and white and this master bedroom is done in beige and white, yet it blends seamlessly. Like you see, everything is done in beige here. The headboard, the wallpaper, the curtain, the wardrobe, everything. Yet the room looks so cozy, warm and blending seamlessly with the living area. And you know what I love the most? Is this beautiful moon-shaped mirror, man. This just doesn't make me feel like I've come for a home tour. I just feel like I'm in some big shot hotel, man. So Achal, I really love this space, man. Like just look at the mirror. I want to know, how did you think through this? I have honestly never seen a mirror like this in any other home tour. So tell me.
So when Sutirtha came to me, she asked me, I want to make this room in such a way that when I will sit here, I want to just feel the grandness of this dressing table.
I'm sure every girl is gonna love this.
Exactly. For that only we planned this moon-shaped mirror.
Wow, because this is not something, very honestly speaking, I've not seen in other home tours much.
Correct.
Because this really stands out in this room. Any other thing that you would want to speak?
No, I think this is the of the
awesome
mirror. Yeah.
Achal, there's one more thing that I want to know from you for sure.
Sure.
Like generally these wardrobe, they are monochrome, like it's just of one color. But I see that, you have created partition sort of, it's like white, beige and white.
Correct.
Any specific reason behind this?
So as you see the room, it's not very much bigger room. It's a small room.
Correct.
And every person have that thinking that I want more space, more storage in the room. And we don't wanted to put that thing in such a way that we'll put long wardrobes. In that case, the room will be looks very much smaller. So for that, what we have done, we have prepared a smart sandwich pattern of design over here. In that case, that tall look is breaking the pattern.
Correct.
Where we have put white and white in the top and the bottom, and in the middle portion we have put some beige.
Wow.
Just to maintain the theme,
Yeah. And it goes really well with the theme of the room. Exactly. Beautifully done, man. Now finally, this is the guest bedroom. And you see the color is so different. This room is done in purple and white. And I am so surprised to see that in spite the color being so different, this blends so well with the rest of the house. I really love this wallpaper, yeah. Just look at it. It looks so different and so unique, right? In fact, even this room has a dresser unit right here, done in fluted glass shutter to give that classy and elegant kind of look. And also there's a sliding wardrobe right here, done in purple and white to match the theme of this room. And you know the best part is this end shutter. I mean, you can store anything additional right here. So Achal, finally we are here in the guest bedroom.
Yes.
You know, I really want to know why this color, man. Like, and why all the rooms are in different color. Like, why so? And still it blends so well, right? What was the magic behind this that Achal did?
So in living dining area, we used grey and white.
Okay.
In master bedroom, we have used beige and white. Now in this room, we have used kind of purple shade with white tone. White tone is just to maintain the entire theme, because we have every place we have used the white, and that is our master color. White we have used as a master color. Now for the purple, the reason behind it, that all of a sudden Suchita came to me with this wallpaper, that I want this wallpaper in this room. Now you think what you have to do with the other kind of colors. So in that way we have blended up with the purple.
I think one design hack that I can give to the audience from here is that if you want continuity, have one master color.
Exactly.
Right?
Correct.
Even if you keep different color in different room is fine, but there should be one.
There should be one master color, which is used in every place.
Yes. See, there you have it. Achal, I must say that I really love the house, man. It's so beautifully done. But I also know there must have been a lot of challenges that you had to face.
Yes.
So tell me, what were the major problems that you had to overcome?
Rukmini, earlier also I have told you कि जब हम घर पे घुसे थे, I have seen a narrowing space. Length में बहुत लंबा था. I couldn't see any corridor space जिसको हम foyer area बना सकते. So we planned in such a way. हमने बहुत सारे layouts create किए, बहुत सारा plans बनाया, and we finalized with a one thing जहाँ हम एक slick partition दे रहे हैं, एक small सा foyer area create कर रहे हैं, and with that we have double zoning it by giving a buffer area. By putting some mirror panels, जिससे मेरा ये double spacing हो जा रहा है. And with that we have put some TV cabinets also. हमारा crockery table भी हो गया, मंदिर cabinet भी हो गया. We have given a dining table also. वहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें हमने put
My God, it's really commendable that how in this compact space,
Correct.
you still managed to keep a foyer area, a living area, a TV unit, a dining table, a puja unit, a crockery unit. मतलब भाई साहब बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much, Achal. It was wonderful having you. I really had a great time.
so much.
So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Design Cafe if you want to watch such beautiful home tours. For me personally, I loved the living area. That was the best. Let me know in the comments which one you love the most. This is me, Rukmini Saha, signing off. I'll see you again in the next one.